Rubik SafetyCloud, designed and developed by Rubik Solutions. Your safety dashboard, real-time compliance scores, incident counter, and instant access to all modules. Fire safety. Track every extinguisher, hose reel, and smoke detector. Color-coded status alerts show you exactly what needs attention. Vehicle and fleet. South African registration numbers, kilometer tracking, license disc expiry, and service schedules. All in one place. Works in light mode too. First aid. Regulation 7 compliant. Track box contents, expiry dates, and get automatic restock alerts. PPE Register. Issue and track all safety equipment per employee, with digital signed acknowledgements. Risk Assessment. Full HIRA matrix. Rate likelihood and severity. Assign controls and responsible persons. Training and certifications. Forklift, first aid, PDP, working at heights. Automatic expiry alerts before they lapse. Incident management. Near misses, injuries, COIDA sworn statements. Full investigation workflow from report to closeout. Contractor management, COID letters, insurance, tax clearance tracking. Digital work permits with signatures. Electrical COC, certificate management per building with renewal tracking and contractor records. AI Safety Assistant, ask any OHS question. Trained on South African legislation and your company data. It even suggests actions. File Manager, your complete digital file, always audit ready, always up to date. Start your 14-day free trial today, all modules included, no credit card required, built for South African businesses. Visit rubiksolutions.co.za.